Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on you.
Don't know yet. Just listen. I'll show you how to catch so many fish you won't know what to do with them.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
See ya, soldier! Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs!
Oh, honey, surplus!
We have...
Red?
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact?
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good.
A run of bad luck. But I think I can help.
Get back, you oil-thirsty Actually, this is my good side here.
Something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
But you'll never be one of us.
Esos no son faros. ¡Son tubos de escape!
That road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, Yelena?
Guys! What's wrong? Did something happen?
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Part stealer in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Hannah, can't we play a little longer?
Just a little more.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Todos, gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él. Ah, no, ¿cómo que?
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
favorite.
Scientist has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe. There it is. So the
to be the most popular stop on the Mother Road.
Despite what occurred today, the Queen is dead.
Of course.
Thank you for your support and your big mistake, the Queen.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
No pit stopo. Comprendo? Okay.
Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man! Now I've got...
And just like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.